Welcome to this quick tour of ReportGorilla. Let's get started. When you log in, ReportGorilla loads a list of your surveys. To select a survey, just click its name. ReportGorilla now loads and examines your survey and works out different ways to report it. Now you can explore by clicking Report Names to show thumbnails, by clicking Info buttons to see descriptions of any report and layout, and by trying different outputs like web page, PowerPoint, or Word. To see exactly what reports will look like, click Create to build previews with test data. Then, click Preview to view and share. Here's the web page we just created. And here is the PowerPoint slideshow. Previews are free, so they're a great way to explore all the possibilities with your survey. When you have found the reports you want, click Plus to add them to your shopping basket, and click Basket to continue. To create reports with your real survey data, click Place Order. Reports are run at once, and you'll conveniently find all completed reports under My Reports. All done. From here, you can easily view, share, download, and manage all your ReportGorilla reports. And that's the end of this quick tour. Now you can try ReportGorilla with your surveys at reportgorilla.com. See you soon.